Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a cute water droplet character holding a Save Water sign. It's super easy and fun, so make sure to watch till the end.
Whoa!
First, I draw a simple outline around the page to frame our drawing. Then I draw the main body of the water droplet.
Ciao, ciao.
Next, I add two big eyes with black pupils to give it a fun and friendly look.
Yes!
Now, I draw a big smiling mouth to make our droplet look happy. After that, I draw the legs, the hands, and a signboard that it's holding. And on the board, I write the message, Save Water, because every drop counts.
Yes!
Yeah! Yeah!
Now it's time to add some colors.
So cute!
I use blue and white for the water droplet's body to give it a clean and shiny look.
Yay! Whoopee! Yes!
For the hands, I use green with a touch of light pink.
Yeah! Yeah! So cute!
I color the legs in red to make them stand out.
Yes!
Then I use yellow and maroon for the board so the message really pops.
Yay!
And finally, I outline everything using a black marker to make the drawing look clean, sharp, and complete. And that's it. Our cute little water droplet is ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tiny Hands Art, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!